I am very excited to bring you this collection today. We have Donna Salyers Furs, and they're just absolutely luscious. So I'm going to go through them. This is a brown mocha ruched fur. So you can see that there's ruching on it, and it's a beautiful mocha color. It's a real deep, dark brown. Just lovely. I mean, just absolutely stunning. Now what I did is I put some fabrics with them. So this is our dark brown wool. It's 100% wool. It's beautiful. I mean, they're just lovely together. So maybe pants, a little jacket, a vest, top. You could do lots with these too. 100% wool. Then we have this beautiful kind of gray beige sand colored. It is just, again, stunning. There are great pictures online because we kind of took the pictures from her site, which she said we could. Anyway, so this is just a really beautiful. And then again, I paired with it this is a cotton poly. It's a stretch woven. Be super nice for a little blouse underneath with, long sleeve, like with a vest. That just would be so pretty. This is the Siberian fox. This also goes with really both of these. Whoops, that's kind of coming off there. The furs are all being sold by the half yard. So that way you can just really nail in exactly what you want. And so this is a brown Siberian fox. This is a brown and a gray combined with an off-white. It's just really, again, really beautiful. Obviously, they're just lovely quality of fur. I went with this, if you wanted to go more casual, this is a cotton poly fleece. Gray again, so it really works across the board, and then it has stretch in one direction. So you guys, I really hope you enjoy these. We've got a few different kinds of these furs. The quantities are very low. We just didn't get a lot of any of the quantities, so the goal is to have happy fur sewing, happy fun sewing from Silhouette Pattern.